Silk saris. They make for an unmatched traditional style statement and yet are so versatile. But if you want to make the most out of these timeless beauties, here are 3 different ways to drape your silk saris. For this drape, start with your sari draped normally. Make sure you have about 5 to 6 wide pleats. This will make sure you have a smaller pallu. Hold up the end of the sari and make pleats on your shoulder. Add a belt for a stylish edge. This drape is perfect if you want to have a hands-free moment on the dance floor. The pleated, sleek pallu will also keep any bulk at bay. Since bulkiness is the #1 struggle when it comes to silk saris, here's another way to avoid that. Start with tucking your sari in from the right side. Tuck your pleats in normally until you have enough fabric left for your pallu. Now, as you pleat your pallu, drape it on the same side as your pleats. This drape is a great way to create a sleek look and flatter your waist. Need a new lehenga? All you need is your silk sari. Pick a can-can skirt instead of a petticoat for this one. This will give your sari skirt some much-needed volume. To start with, spread out your pleats to tuck it in at your waist into your skirt. Pleat the width of the pallu, arranging the pleats neatly. Tuck the fabric in on the side of your waist. A sari with a border works best for this look. And there you are, you have a brand new lehenga skirt in minutes. So here you have it, 3 stylish yet traditional ways to give your silk sari a makeover in totally simple steps. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.